The YouTube play button is the prize that every YouTuber dreams of when they first start their channel.
You get a play button for milestones like 100,000 and 1 million subscribers.
But there's never been one for smaller channels.
So today, we changed that. And we're going to be making one for the Thomas Bros who just hit 500 subscribers.
So you may be asking, how are we going to do this?
Well, first we have to get the materials. Then we have to make it. And then we have to send it all the way to the Thomas Bros.
So we're starting with this ink pad thing, and we're painting it silver. This is going to be the play button. Well, now gotta let it dry and do this many more times.
As Cameron is working on the actual play button, I'm going to be working on the background for the frame.
Now that we've got most of the play button done, the final part has come to put the play button onto the frame. With the play button for the Thomas Bros done, it's time for the final step, to send it to them. That's game.
The play button arrived!
Let's go. Let's get it.
Go.
Okay, the play button from Legend Bros has arrived.
Let's go. It's so excited.
I'm so excited, bro. We've never had a play button anywhere from anyone.
Never even thought we would get here. Thank you guys so much for sending this.
So we got our knife. All right, here we go. For the play button, we've all been waiting for the entire video. Oh, is this it? It's in my hands right now. It's in our hands. Oh, we got another package. And even more big.
This is gonna be dope.
Dude.
No way!
No way!
What? That's crazy!
Look at that!
That's crazy! That's so cool!
And it's got the logo and the YouTube logo, like it comes out of it.
That's so cool!
Dude,
What?
you guys nailed it.
Best. In our room forever.
Yeah, this is never leaving our shelf.
A million times better than I ever thought it would be. It's
That
crazy.
is so sick.
Thank you guys so much.
No problem, Thomas Bros. Make sure if you haven't already to check them out, subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.